to solve every problem in this differentiation. Okay, so now the very simple way, as he said, is just send sin y this side. So x is equals to 3 sin y by sin y. Okay, 3 sin y plus 4 cos y divided by sin y, and this is equals to, that implies x is equals to 3 sin y by sin y is 3 simply, and then 4 cos y by sin y is just, it is 4 into cot y. Now if you apply differentiation, okay, now if you apply differentiation, derivative of x with respect to x is 1, whereas derivative of the constant 3 is 0, plus 4 into derivative of this cot y. See, as we know that derivative for the cot x is minus cosecant square x, and derivative for this cot y is minus cosecant square y into y dash. So finally what happens, it is 1 is equals to minus 4 cosecant square y into y dash. So if you rewrite this, 1 is equals to minus 4 divided by cosecant square y will become sin square y here into y dash. And what is y dash? Y dash is equals to, if you send these two terms to this side, it becomes minus sin square y by 4. Okay, so finally y dash dy by dx is this minus sin square y by 4. Have a look.